Hello class 6. Today we will start with chapter 29, circles. We all know what a circle is. So this is a figure of a circle. And the circle is actually a closed figure which has the points on its circumference. This is the circumference. And let's say the circumference is made up of points, okay? And all these points are equidistant from its center O. That means the distance between the center and any of the point on the circumference will be exactly the same at whichever point on the circumference if you take the distance from the center. So the center and any point over here will be equal in distance as the center and any point out here on this part of the circumference. That means all the points lying on the circumference will be equally away from the center O. So this is the definition of the circle. Suppose if we take the distance from the center to any of the point P on the circumference, then the straight line joining the circumference and the radius and the center is called as radius. So a radius is a straight line which joins the center of a circle with the circumference. Similarly, if there is a straight line which passes through the center and the two ends of the straight line meets the two opposite parts of the circumference like point A and point B, then this straight line is called the diameter. So the diameter is a straight line which passes through the center of a circle with both its ends on the circumference. Here if you notice that OA from O to A is the radius, and also from the point O to point B is again another radius. So diameter AB is actually equal to 2 of the radius from here to here and from here to here. So we can say that one diameter of the circle is equal to 2 times of radius, or simply D diameter is equal to 2 times radius R. So D is equal to 2R is the formula which is very important. Again, if there is a straight line which joins one part of the circumference with the other, let's say point P and Q are connected by this straight line PQ, then this straight line is called as a chord. So a chord is a straight line which joins one part of the circumference with the other part of the circumference of the circle. Now let's say there is a straight line which passes through the circle this way, and let's say this straight line is line AB and it passes through the circle at the 2 points M and N. Then this straight line will be called as a secant. And similarly, if there is another straight line which just touches the circle at a single point over here, remember this straight line passed through the circle and intersected the circle at 2 points M and N. But here this straight line, let's say straight line CD, it touches the circle only at one particular point. Let's say this point is point P. Then this straight line CD is called as the tangent of the circle. So with this, you will get an assignment for exercise 29A, page number 268. Question number 1, all. You have to do the fill in the blanks. Thank you.